Today, the 23rd Fighter Group, comprised of 2 A-10 squadrons, keeps this proud tradition alive. Captain Green is now positioning the aircraft for a simulated strafe pass using the A-10's weapon of choice, the awesome 30mm Gatling gun. Firing bullets the size of Coke bottles at almost 70 rounds per second, the Hawk's gun has a devastating effect on the enemy. Its big shell delivers 7 times the destructive